These Romeo frames are actually knockoffs. I got them at eBay for like 37 bucks. As far as the quality, I mean, it is metal, and it's obviously not the same material as the original ones. It's a little bit heavier. See right there, I got it like that. It's a little chipped off, but I've always wanted these, and obviously Oakley doesn't make them anymore. And the originals, like from like $600 to $1,000. So nope, not paying for that. The lenses that these knockoffs came with, I mean, they're horrible. They look like super thin. They look like 99-cent store transparent visor party hat. The Revant lenses that I just got, obviously, you know, the real thicker real lens. Huh. See, this is the gamble of getting knockoffs and putting aftermarket lenses meant for the real deal. You see that? It's gonna be an issue. See that space? So it worked. I had to massage it a little bit. It didn't fit right in. You gotta be careful around here. This part of the lens is kind of popping out a little bit, so pay attention to this part. If it pops out, just push it in or hold it in, making sure it's in the groove, and then tying it. Don't over torque it. Hand tight, not gorilla strength. These lenses, they're not bad. They're pretty cool. I would wear them if it's really bright. I don't think you can wear it for that long. I mean, we'll see. I haven't, you know, maybe I'll do another video just to recap so far how these lenses perform. All right. Cool.